Whether you drive daily or love customizing your car, these 10 brilliant car gadgets will make your driving safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Each one is handpicked to make your life easier on the road. Let's jump right in and check out what every driver should have in 2025. Number 1. Side Mirror Squeegee. Rain, dust, or fog, your mirrors always stay crystal clear with this retractable side mirror squeegee. It easily removes water in seconds, keeping your visibility perfect no matter the weather. The handle extends for quick reach, and it fits every type of vehicle, from SUVs to sedans. If you hate wiping mirrors by hand, this tiny gadget is going to be your favorite new tool. Number 2. WOLFBOX 4008 Jump Starter. Say goodbye to dead batteries on the road. This heavy-duty jump starter delivers 4000 A of instant power to start even large engines, gas or diesel, within seconds. The built-in LED display shows exact battery percentage and charging speed, so you're always in control. With emergency lighting and reverse polarity protection, it's one of the safest and most powerful tools to keep in your trunk. Perfect for anyone who drives long distances or travels in cold climates. Number 3. APPS2Car Heavy-Duty Tablet Holder. This tablet holder turns your car into a smart workstation or entertainment hub. With its industrial-grade suction mount, it locks firmly onto your dashboard or windshield without shaking or slipping. It's adjustable for multiple viewing angles, perfect for navigation, video calls, or streaming during breaks. The design supports all major tablets and iPads, giving you both flexibility and security. It's ideal for truck drivers, Uber/Lyft operators, or tech lovers who multitask while traveling. Number 4. USB night light bulbs. Transform your car's interior into a glowing atmosphere with these mini USB night lights. The retro glass bottle design gives a cozy and stylish look, while the dimmable touch control lets you set the mood. They plug into any USB port, perfect for cars, bedrooms, or even tents while camping. Despite their small size, the light quality is soft, relaxing, and surprisingly bright. They're a perfect low-cost way to make your driving space feel high-end and modern. Number 5. Munchkin Brica Magnetic Sunshade. Keep your car cool and comfortable during hot days with this stretch-to-fit magnetic sunshade. It installs in seconds using strong built-in magnets that snap onto metal frames with no tools required. The fabric blocks UV rays and keeps interiors cooler, protecting your seats from fading. It's a lifesaver for families with kids, pet owners, or anyone tired of burning hot interiors. Plus, its sleek black look adds a clean finish to any car window setup. Number 6. GPS Digital Speedometer. This digital speedometer upgrades your dashboard with futuristic precision. The large 6.8-inch IPS screen displays your real-time speed, pitch, roll, and driving direction. It adjusts brightness automatically, so you can see clearly day or night without distraction. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants luxury-grade information in an affordable package. Number 7. BMK 200W Car Power Inverter. Turn your vehicle into a full mobile charging station with this compact power inverter. It lets you plug in laptops, cameras, and small tools using the built-in 110V outlet. It also features USB-A, USB-C, and quick charge ports for fast multi-device charging. The smart cooling fan keeps the system safe from overheating during long drives. Perfect for campers, business travelers, or anyone who wants to power devices off-grid. Number 8. Car Door Edge Guards. Small but mighty, these edge guards protect your doors from scratches, chips, and dings. Made from high-quality flexible rubber, they absorb impact when doors hit walls or other cars. Installation is easy. Just peel and stick, no tools required. They blend perfectly with any car color, keeping the design clean and professional. It's a simple investment that saves you from costly paint repair later on. Number 9. 4-in-1 Retractable Fast Car Charger. Say goodbye to cable clutter with this 4-in-1 retractable car charger. It features Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB ports, letting you charge multiple devices at once. The retractable design keeps your space neat, and the starry glow indicator adds futuristic style. It supports ultra-fast charging to keep your gadgets ready for the road. Built with durable wiring and safety chips, it's perfect for drivers who stay powered up on the go. Number 10. Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. Upgrade your ride with this premium Bluetooth FM transmitter. It connects seamlessly to your phone, letting you play music, take calls, and charge, all wirelessly. The dual fast charging ports, PD and QC 3.0, keep devices powered while you drive. The all-metal body feels solid and helps dissipate heat during long drives. With noise cancellation and crystal clear sound, your old car radio instantly becomes a smart audio system.